Okay, so we cleaned out down below with this, and you can see better now how it's just a hand rotor kinda, and you can tighten this up or loosen it up, I should say. Pull it out, tighten it, and then twist, so that way it forces this to go around. So we still didn't have good drainage, and we had removed this yesterday, this trap here, and we pulled a lot of stuff out of there. So I thought for sure we'd be good from here to here, but we still didn't have good drainage, so I wasn't sure. Was it from here down, which seems unlikely. The flat area seems the most likely. And sure enough, we have like 1/3 of the pipe, well, I guess maybe 1/2 of the pipe clogged here. And this is the part that goes right here. So we're going to clean that out. I guess we'll take this one apart too. Although this is the side we use the most, but we'll take this apart and make sure that's clean, because that hasn't been done in years. And then we'll put it all back together. Now, theoretically, these will snug down and seal, but in reality, it's never worked for me. So I always use a little silicone around them when I'm snugging them in. Now this goes right here. So we need to silicone this. We'll clean that a little bit. Not a lot of silicone, but some. And then if we're going to take this one apart, we'll have to redo that one. And then right here. And we may even run the snake through this, going down. I do feel stuff in here. I mean, it's not a lot of clog, but there is junk in there. I don't know if it's grease or soap, probably a combo. So we're going to, that's where we're at. We'll put this back together, and then hopefully it's all working then. Oh, so here's another thing. So here is the, down here is the ventless vent. So we had lots of problems with drainage before I put this in. Now once I put this in, it was 100% better. But as you can see, we still can get clogs. This area right here tends to get build up too. So the other day I pulled this off and cleaned that. So this vent, when it's letting water out, it needs to suck air. So that's a one-way valve there, and it allows it to pull air, which gets the water going faster. The faster the water's flowing, the less likely it is to have buildup. So it's where it flows slow, that's where you're going to get the buildup. But the ventless vent helps it flow faster in all areas. So that helps a lot, especially when you have a full sink and you're letting it all down. Before it would just take its time. Now it actually forms a funnel and really gets going. So that was a huge improvement, but we still can get buildup. So this is hopefully less than a year. We have to do this again, hopefully 2 years.